So, is writing practice necessary?
Yes, it's necessary because by writing they can remember grammar, and it will also improve their sentence formation at the same time. So, if you write a small paragraph and practice it, it will be better for your English.
Okay, so I have reached at the end of the question session. I have a few more questions. Would you mind telling me, is it okay to learn English from YouTube?
I think yes, because many online courses are in English and everything is English in YouTube and all the other social media platforms. Yes, it's okay because you can speak along and it will be good for your English speaking skills.
Yeah, there are a lot of YouTube channels where people can learn English. It just only depends on your dedication.
Yeah.
Great. So, what is the biggest mistake English learners make?
I would say that they be like, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, might as well quit because I'm a mistake. This is the biggest mistake they do, because before a person becomes successful, they have their losses, so they should practice more and more every day, and they can become good. So this is the biggest mistake they made.
Okay, so you're telling the biggest mistake is that people give up. So
Yeah.
all the viewers should know that you should never give up. It could be any sport or learning English or learning anything. So one thing is like you have to be patient and believe in yourself and go on. Just go on.